Good morning, futures traders. Today's Monday, November 18th. The time is 9:20. We're going to be trading a little pre-market because the price action is looking really good at the NASDAQ on the Ninja rank of 25 bar size using Ripper X AI Pro. Doing a little something different. I was off last week, so no trading, but this week we're doing something a little different. We're going to be incorporating the volatility shield protection on the software. And what that means is, in order to stay out of whipsawing, it allows you to configure the minimum and maximum number of continuation bars, basically in this scenario, this movement here, where my cursor is, and the minimum and maximum number of pullback bars, which will basically be this in this uptrend, so that it will only execute orders if it meets the criteria that I have configured. So in this case, I'm configuring a minimum continuation of at least 8 bars with a maximum of 45 and a minimum pullback of at least 2 bars with a maximum of 8. So what this does is anything that's back and forth, it'll ignore. So this is turned on. I'll be trading 2 positions. And we'll see how this performs. In testing, this performed really well. It kept me out of trouble. And again, this is not meant for you to just walk away, right? You still want to be in front of it. I personally like to stay in front of the computer, but Volatility Shield adds an extra layer of protection against whipsawing. So we'll keep this on and engage. So you might miss some trades. Like, for example, this pullback here would not have met my minimum criteria of 2. So we would have not gotten this, right? Normally, without it, it would have come up, pulled back, and then I would have gotten into the trade here and it would have gone up. In this case, we're saying, look, we need a minimum of at least 8 continuation bars. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did, and a maximum of 45, so that we met that criteria. However, we did not meet the minimum number of pullbacks, which would have been 2. So we would have not been in this trade. One's a little aggressive, so I'm going to go at least 2. So that's how that works. So that is currently engaged. So the bot is turned on, and we'll start to take advantage of any pre-market movements into the open. I'm going to actually pause the video here because it's a little slow until the market opens, and then we'll continue. Okay, we're back. Market's going to be opening in about 40 seconds. As you can see, no orders were taken. So we'll keep the bond engaged through the open. Okay, the market's now open.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Okay, while we're waiting, you can see that the reason why it took this trade here is we hit our criteria. We had a minimum of 8, maximum of 45, and we had a minimum of 2, maximum of 8. So that it took the trade. Notice it didn't take these trades here because it did not meet the criteria, and this was kind of whipsaw-y, so it kept us out of these trades here. Now, there's nothing wrong if you wanted to shoot for $300 a day. You could do that. Slow and steady could win. Or you can shoot for 500, or you could shoot for 1,000. Again, depends on your account sizes. 355 would be a good day for this account. You can notice that normally, if I did not have the volatility shield turned on, it would have taken this, taken this, taken this, and those would have most likely been losses because of the way the price action is going back and forth. So you can see this is more selective in the trade and kind of filters out this kind of this kind of movement with price. You can see we're kind of in a channel right here. So we'll leave it on a few minutes, and then we'll call it a day. So you can see it did a nice job of filtering this out right here. So here, here, it did a nice job of keeping us out of this back and forth. So that's the purpose of the volatility shield. Now, what you need to do is you need to test different settings, right? And based on your risk tolerance. So these are the ones that I tested with and seem to work the best for me. I'm also going to incorporate a time-based stop where I'll only keep this on for 10 minutes and I stop with whatever profit I have. So this could be my last trade. When I hit the 940 mark, here we go.
Order
You can see we
submitted.
hit the criteria here.
Order filled.
It's my bad. I'm moving the stop too soon.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so $610. Not sure what it did on that last one. Tried to do a reversal trade, but you can see that this volatility shield really helped us out, right? It kept us out of this. It got us into this nice trade, and we're done for the day. Okay. Again, let's go through why this trade worked. Okay. But again, kept us out of here because it did not meet the criteria of a minimum continuation of 8, maximum 45, and a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 8 pullback. Okay, here, the reason why I got into the trade here is we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 continuation bars. Check, met the minimum continuation and maximum of 8 and 45. We had 1, 2 pullbacks. It met the minimum pullback of 2, maximum of 8, and it took this trade. And we almost hit our daily profit target. Okay, that's a good trade. Okay, it kept us out of this garbage over here. Normally, you would get hurt with that, and you'd probably have a losing day. But that's what Volatility Shield does. So, hopefully, this has helped. Have a great day and a great week. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments. I try to answer all of them I can. I do get a lot of them. I do get a lot of emails, but feel free, and I will eventually get to you. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.